Good evening, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah Machali. I'm coming live from Africa, guys, Kenya, Nairobi to be specific. It's actually in the evening right now, as you can see. Yes, the evening have already set in, and there is an upcoming building here, guys. The OGs of this channel knows this site and this view from this small house of mine. Yes, guys, so it's just introducing you guys, yes, to another video, another vlog. I'm doing good. Okay. I'm doing okay, guys. I thank God for life. There are kids playing outside, that's why it's very noisy. Yes, you know the schools have closed. So yes, guys, welcome to yet another video, another vlog. That's Rin there. She is watching her cartoon. Yes, we just came from the market, guys. Yes, she is right there watching her cartoon. Yes, so we just came from the market, guys. Let me show you. Here is just some milk. This is milk that we are going to cook with it. Oh, oops. This place is so much crowded, guys. Sorry. So yes, let me remove this thermos from there. It should stay there so that it does not break. Yes, guys, so we have come from the market, and this is our milk. This is one fresh milk, and this is one fermented milk. I feel like chasing those kids from this side, from my balcony or from my veranda, because they are making a lot of noise when I'm doing this video, guys, interrupting with my video. But let them be. So guys, welcome. I want to show you how we cook ugali today, and how we do it with how we cook it and eat it with the fermented milk, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be seeing you later on, guys. Yes, this is me here. This is my outfit of the day today. I'm just in small pants, some small pants, and this t-shirt, guys. Yes, just a small outfit. Hello, guys, and welcome back. This is me now. My front camera is not the perfect, guys, but we are going to try to use it, guys. So yes, today is on I think on a Thursday. Yes, yes, guys, so today I want to spend an evening with you guys as we prepare ugali and milk, or ugali and fermented milk. Yes, guys, that's mainly the purpose of this video, guys. So I just wanted you to see me, guys. This is me. I am wearing this is my OTD of the day. Yes, guys, so keep watching this video until the end. Make sure you subscribe and leave a good comment or a sweet comment. Yes, guys, just to motivate me. Yes, so stay tuned, guys, and watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. See you later when I'll be preparing the ugali, guys. Thank you. So hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is the milk, guys, as I had shown you before. This is unga, guys, the white flour, and this is some milk, guys. This is what we are preparing for dinner today. Yes, guys, so stay tuned to this video. I have just started the process of making ugali, guys. So I'm boiling the water first, and then I'll go in and add some maize flour. Yeah, so stay tuned to this video, guys, so you can see how we prepare our ugali here, guys, here in Africa or in Kenya. So guys, Lynn is sleeping over that head. I'll just let her sleep. Yes guys, so I'll just boil the milk for her and then let her sleep. In case she wakes up, I will make her drink the milk. Yes guys, because she might wake up in the middle of the night. Yes, this is our small room guys, a single room. Yes guys, so that's the plan of the day. On this end, the water is almost boiling. Yes, it's just a matter of bringing it to boil completely, and then I'll add the flour. It's just a very simple process guys. You will see it's a very simple process of making ugali. Yes, it's like fufu in Nigeria, but here we use maize flour. So guys, my water has boiled completely now. I'll just go in and add some flour. Yes, when you want to cook a simple meal, that's what you do. Because today I'm very tired, I didn't want to cook complicated meals. So when you put your flour, you just start spinning around guys. It's just as simple as that. You spin until it hardens. You add some more flour. I spin. The fire is a lot. I reduced the fire guys. So you spin until it hardens. So guys, you can see it's already hardening. Yes, it's hardening. Just lowered my voice because Lynn is like waking up. I don't know. Yes guys, so it hardens, then you wait until it's fully cooked. How do you know it's cooked guys? That's another trick. Yes, when it stops sticking on the cooking stick, then you know it's already hardened. Yes guys, so let's wait for a few minutes as it cooks, so that it cooks a little bit. You see it's still sticking. That means it's not yet fully cooked. Let's wait guys. It's like I'm making a lot of noise for her. That's why she is turning around the bed. So guys, let me cook. Let's wait until our ugali is ready now. So as we wait for the ugali to cook, we're gonna have to make, yes, I think this is the fresh milk. This is the fermented milk. This is for Rin guys, because she cannot drink the fermented milk. Let me just open it here and then pour it in the cup. So guys, I go in and add some sugar. That's enough, I think. Time to stir. You stir until it's all the sugar have already dissolved, because as you can see some are remaining. Back to our ugali, guys. As you can see, it have stopped sticking on the stick, guys. It's almost very careful because I'm not holding, I don't have a, how do we call this, metallic stick. I don't have that holding stick or kamata. Yes, you can pour your ugali when you are not holding it. You see, I even didn't complete my words. Yes, that's why I'm very, very careful. So let's wait and it cooks again a little bit, then we remove it from the fire. On this end, let's continue stirring. So guys, this fermented milk, I just got it from the milk vendors. So at this point, guys, I think our ugali is ready now. Let me just remove it from the fire. Oops. It's very hot. There goes our ugali, guys. Yes, there goes the ugali. You can see the safuria is clean. Just put some water here inside so that it gets clean easier. That's our ugali, guys. Let me cut it into smaller pieces so that I can be able to eat. So guys, let me dig in, because you're supposed to eat it when it's hot. Then I'll catch up with you guys later as I go to sleep, maybe. So hello guys, I have completed eating my dinner. It was so sweet. I appreciate and thank God. God is the greatest, guys. So as per now, I want to boil some milk for Lynn because she's asleep. Maybe I can give her in the middle of the night if she wakes up, or in the morning, guys. So I know my camera is not doing me justice, guys, but we work with what we have, guys. So yes, let's continue with the vlog. Let's boil the milk, guys. So this is where I keep my safurias. This is the safuria for milk. I have scrubbed them. Yes, guys. So let me just rinse this one. Yes, like that, and I boil the milk. Yes, guys, so let's wait. When it boils, I have nothing else to do this evening. I'll just have to go to bed, guys. guys, our milk has already boiled. Yes, that's it. Let me complete making the bed and putting back the net. Yes guys, I'm putting back the net. In our small room, guys. Lynn always sleeps, and when she sleeps, she has a very heavy sleeping. When she sleeps at this time, I will not wake her up to eat dinner, because I will be disturbing her, because she will not eat. She will just cry and not eat, and you regret why you woke her up. Okay guys, this is where I fix my net. Yes, because I don't have the net hookers. Yes, in future maybe I'll buy a nice net. Yes, with God's grace. Let me fix it completely, then I sleep and say goodnight to you guys. So guys, finally my net is fixed. As you can see, all the corners okay. Now we can be able to sleep under the net. Now I'll just go on and sleep, guys, because it's almost 11 p.m. in the evening. Let me just go and sleep.